my thoughts, first of all, sabi nga ni Coach, this championship, ilabas nyo na lahat ng kaya nyo ilabas sa cabinet nyo. Kasi, last 2 games na to ng championship. So, good na rin to. Good practice for the upcoming leagues, D-League, PBA. That's it.
Sabi ko nga sa assistant ko kay Coach Ed na I had a good feeling that we will win the championship, but hindi ko naisip na we're gonna have a record of only 2 losses the whole year. 16 lang, no? Puyat ka, no?
Yeah.
16 rebounds na. So, nagparty kagabi, puyat. So, 14 defensive to offensive. Big game for him. Kada taon naman, pag nag-champion kami, it's always sweet. Dahil siyempre lahat yung pinaghirapan namin the whole year, ito yung inaasahan namin prize para sa amin.